Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. I have two watches that I want to put a bracelet on. First is the W217, the strap was already broken. And then the F201, the strap style is not my favorite. I looked on AliExpress for an 18mm Casio metal bracelet that has a good reputation and then ordered one, and here it is. Let me unpack it. Now, these watches have the same 18mm lug width, but they differ in the outer lug size. So, which one will fit the best? Here, the strap's outer width is 20.8mm. The F201W is 22.4mm. And the W217 is 24.4mm. So, the strap will be more fitting or proportional to the F201W. Let's unwrap the plastic covers. They look pretty nice, the links are tidy, the sides are okay, although they're not as smooth as Casio's, but they're still good. Now, about the position, let me take a look at another watch for reference. So, the one with the hook goes on the upper side and with the sliding tab on the lower side. The bracelet comes with these spring bars and remover. Sadly, the remover handle is broken, but that's okay. I will just use my old small spring bar remover. And it's done now for both sides. A Casio F201W with a metal bracelet. Time to set the sliding buckle position. Put a marking on the link. Pry open the locking strip, then slide it to the marked position. It's a bit hard to lock it back and I don't have a small hammer around, so this is not a good practice, but I'm using the handle of a scissor to hit the locking strip. And here's the result. Very good combination. I think it's going to be my favorite daily watch for now. If you're interested in the bracelet, check the link in the description, and if you want more content like this, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.